Welcome to our video on Oracle 19c new features for developers. Today, we'll be exploring the exciting new features and enhancements that Oracle 19c has to offer for developers. Let's dive in and discover how these new features can benefit your development projects. Oracle 19c introduces automatic indexing, which means the database can now create, rebuild, and drop indexes based on the workload without requiring manual intervention. This feature significantly improves performance by adapting to the database's changing needs. Real-time statistics enhances performance by gathering statistics in real time for DML operations, ensuring that the optimizer always has the most current data for query optimization. This feature provides developers with up-to-date information for efficient query planning and execution, ultimately improving application performance and user experience. SQL quarantine prevents the execution of problematic SQL statements that have been identified to cause performance issues, improving overall system stability. SQL plan management enhancements bring improvements in maintaining and developing SQL execution plans over time, ensuring consistent performance. Hybrid partition tables allow mixing of internal, in-database, and external table, partitions, enabling seamless integration of different storage tiers. Oracle 19c introduces enhanced support for JSON, including a JSON data guide and improved integration with SQL, simplifying the management of JSON data. Enhancements to the database in-memory feature include the automatic population of the in-memory column store and faster performance for analytic queries. I'm excited to introduce the new PLR/SQL features in Oracle 19c. These include qualified expressions and the ability to define constants in SQL, which significantly enhance developer productivity and code maintainability. Automatic SQL plan management automatically captures and manages SQL execution plans, ensuring that only the best plans are used, improving query performance. Active Data Guard DML redirection allows DML operations on Active Data Guard standby databases, increasing the flexibility and utility of standby systems. Partitioning improvements in Oracle 19c bring enhanced capabilities, including automatic list partitioning and interval partitioning enhancements, making it easier to manage large tables. In this section, we will explore the optimized data access feature. With improvements in indexing, partitioning, and data compression techniques, Oracle 19c offers more efficient data access and storage. These enhancements result in improved performance and scalability for developers working with large datasets. Oracle text enhancements bring new features to improve full-text search capabilities, including enhanced support for JSON documents and improved indexing options. I'm excited to share the latest enhancements for SQL Developer and SQL-CL. These updated tools come with new features such as integrated GIT support, improved code insight, and enhanced command line capabilities. These improvements aim to streamline the development process and provide a more efficient experience for developers. Oracle 19c introduces significant enhancements to Sharding, providing improved support for multi-shard queries, shard-level table constraints, and automated sharding. These features are designed to enhance scalability and performance for developers working with sharded databases. Enhanced security features. Oracle 19c introduces new security features such as data-driven multi-factor authentication, DDMFA, and centralized user management, significantly enhancing database security. Oracle 19c introduces machine learning integration, providing built-in machine learning algorithms and frameworks that allow developers to create and deploy machine learning models directly within the database. This feature empowers developers to harness the power of machine learning seamlessly within their Oracle 19c environment. Transparent application continuity ensures continuous application availability by automatically recovering sessions following database outages, with no changes required to the application. This feature provides seamless continuity for developers and users, allowing for uninterrupted operation even in the event of database disruptions. Oracle 19c introduces persistent memory support, enabling faster data access by storing it in non-volatile memory. This enhancement improves performance for specific workloads. I'm excited to share with you the improved performance diagnostics in Oracle 19c. We have enhanced tools and features for diagnosing performance issues, including automatic workload capture and improved trace file analysis, helping developers troubleshoot more efficiently. Database vault operations control enhances security by restricting access to sensitive operations, allowing only authorized users to perform certain database actions. Oracle 19c introduces read-only Oracle homes, which separate static and dynamic data, improving manageability and reducing patching downtime. This feature enhances the overall stability and reliability of the Oracle database environment, providing a more efficient and secure platform for developers to work with. SQL macros provide a way to create reusable SQL expressions and functions, simplifying complex SQL queries and improving code readability. Enhancements to unified auditing provide better performance and flexibility in managing and analyzing audit data. These improvements offer developers a more efficient and adaptable approach to handling and evaluating audit information within Oracle 19c. Oracle 19c introduces zero downtime upgrades through features like Oracle Fleet Patching and Upgrading, FPU, which minimize disruptions to critical applications. Oracle 19c introduces advanced compression enhancements, which utilize improved compression algorithms and techniques to reduce storage requirements and enhance performance for large datasets. Database creation and management enhancements have been made to tools like DBCA, Database Configuration Assistant, to simplify database creation and management tasks. Oracle Cloud Integration offers better integration with Oracle Cloud Services, allowing for seamless deployment and management of databases in the cloud. This enables us to leverage cloud-based tools and services for enhanced functionality and scalability. This feature allows us to easily manage pluggable databases using a snapshot carousel mechanism in Oracle Database 19c, simplifying database cloning and refresh processes. Polymorphic table functions, PTF developers can now create versatile table functions with dynamic return types using polymorphic table functions introduced in Oracle 19c. This feature allows for greater flexibility and adaptability in developing table functions, enhancing the overall capabilities for developers. Oracle 19c introduces blockchain tables, enabling us to efficiently store and manage tamper-evident blockchain transactions within the database. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. Thanks for watching.